What?
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Sorry there's not been a video. I filmed one and didn't like it. So
She said she was ugly, but that's a lie.
I was by myself and I'm awkward by myself. I'm awkward when I'm not by myself.
Today, we're doing slime.
We got Karina Garcia's slime kit. If you don't know her, she's a YouTuber. I don't watch her. Oops. I just found it in Target.
We're going to start watching her because if this is fun, we're probably going to do more of her stuff.
We're going to start our own slime kit.
No, I won't.
Alright, open it and see what's in it.
Let's see what we got in here, guys. Anyway, how are you guys? It's been a while.
Hi, Ben.
First thing in the box is a letter.
It's
I don't read.
the instructions.
Oh, it's in a nice little bag.
Nifty little bag. That's all it's in.
That's nice. That's it. Inside the bag, you got. You read. Clear glue.
The solution.
Clear glue.
Clear glue.
Some color dyes. Ooh. Cocaine.
What is that? Oh, water gel powder.
Glow in the dark powder. We're putting that one
Glow in the
in.
dark.
And then
Blue glitter.
That we're not
We're
going
not
to use.
using that because
It makes a mess.
no thanks.
A straw to snort the cocaine. I mean the powder.
What is the straw for?
I
To
told
mix
you
it?
to snort. Oh, yeah, it's a mixing straw.
There's a bowl. Oh, I
Slime
put my name on it so it could be Charlie's cup. Slime activator.
And then Elmer's glue.
A little measuring thing.
I haven't seen one of these since I was a
Say
kid.
Elmer's if that's not
Oh
Elmer's.
yeah, it's not Elmer. It's white glue. It's gotta be
Just
white. I'm just kidding. Yo, I haven't seen glue
He's
in
eating the cheese
ages. Get it, bud. All right, so let's get this started. We have no idea what we're
I'm
doing.
gonna go get another bowl.
She literally went to ate Chinese food and then made it.
She got the sweet and sour sauce.
She got the sweet and sour sauce, put her sticker on it. That's awesome. So
I
we
got
don't
this
know what
bowl.
we're doing.
I got this bowl. If you recognize it, you've probably been to Los Margaritas.
If you're from PA. If not, it's an avocado guacamole bowl.
Yeah, we got guac in this and then I stole it.
Of course, right? She's
Don't tell him. He's a cop. He's gonna arrest me one time. First, take out the cup that is included in your kit. Carefully measure and pour 2 tablespoons of clear glue in the cup. Is this a tablespoon? This is the clear glue.
Is that the table?
Yes.
2 tablespoons.
2.
First, remove the sticking on the clear glue. Alright. Oh, I forgot what glue smells like.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't been a kid in ages.
A little bit more. More. Okay.
1. I talk like a kid. 2. Now I got to you. Bring your bowl closer, bro. Are we gonna need this again?
What?
This glue.
I don't think so.
Yeah, I'm a big slime.
Okay. If desired, mix add-ins to the clear glue and stir thoroughly.
I want this one.
I want some of that.
You want to put some in yours?
Yeah.
What's water gel powder? Do we need that? Yeah. Use it. You can have it.
All of it? Do I
If you
use all
want.
of
Just
it?
use it all. Make it really glow in the dark. So that thing's shining at nighttime. I'm literally gonna put all the dye in my.
Oops.
Oops.
I guess I am putting all of it in.
You dirty. You gotta mix it. Straw. Get your cocaine straw. Wait, this is a children's channel, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Get your sugar straws.
Next, fill 1 teaspoon with activator and then dump in the clear glue all at once. Why does it say it like that?
Clear glue. Wait, dump in the clear glue. I'm confused.
Dump into this. Dump into your bowl. Do you see the words on the top? It says tablespoon?
No.
Here, I'll do it.
You can do it. I think that was more, no? Oh, I gotta mix it, right? But you got gooey stuff on yours.
Go get another straw or something. There's literally not even a lot. Ew, look.
Ew! Ew!
Let's do more. Let's like double it.
Hang on, let me get there.
What was it, 2 tablespoons?
Activator, 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 activator. Ew, it's like boogies. I don't want to play with this. Oh, we were supposed to put the dye in before the activator. It says desired add-ons.
Oh yeah, we still can.
Is
Are
it
you
gonna work?
doubling yours?
Yeah, triple this strong. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Give me a napkin. I don't know what this funky stuff could be. What's the point of the white glue?
I don't know. It's got a loogie coming over this thing.
You know. Hey, give me the loogie. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
I think I just messed mine up.
What was that? By adding more?
Yeah.
Give me an activator.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I should mix first, right? Well, it should be alright.
You put a lot of red in there.
I didn't though. Oh my god, it looks like blood. And then I don't want to touch it because it's all yuck. Not like touch it because like it's slime. Ew, I mean like it's still wet.
Take your rings off or your ring off.
It's still wet, right?
I want it blue, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it
Yeah,
now.
add it because mine took to it.
How'd you get it in there? Oh, like that.
Oh, it's just so hard.
I think we definitely should have doubled it before we started mixing it. But it was literally like this big the first time.
Can I eat it?
I mean, if you want. Oh my god.
Oh. It feels like Jello. Don't give it to him.
I wasn't going to. Let's see what he's
Your hands are blue, babe.
I know.
I don't think we're supposed to play with it yet. Why is it like this? I thought it was supposed to just like go through your hand. Look at hers. I think we did this wrong.
What do we? I think we need more activator.
What's the white glue for?
I don't know.
Keep reading. Maybe we.
Once you mix everything together, check out the blob of slime. It doesn't say anything about white glue.
Why did it come with it? You said more activator? Let's put more activator in.
Yeah, but you're not gonna be able to like stir it.
Well, use your hands. Our hands are already dirty anyway.
Pour a little one. Alright, dang.
Oh, I got it on the table.
You wanna make slime?
Oh wow, this is lit! You know what it reminds me of? The stuff down the shore.
Slime?
No, not slime, down the shore. Saltwater taffy. When it's on the thingy.
Oh, yeah.
I love mine. Mine's so cool. I'm keeping my first one. I'm gonna name it Teddy.
I wonder if mine glows in the dark. I'll have to check later. Was it? Wait, what if there's not enough?
Should be.
There's gonna be 8 tablespoons in here?
Should be. We're doing four each? Right?
Yeah.
No, just do yours.
Maybe we can use some of the white glue if there's not enough.
And what is the point of the white glue? Can we call this girl? Ask her. Hello?
Alright, so there's 3 in yours. Okay, there's definitely
There's definitely enough.
yeah. So 4.
Give me one more. I'm gonna go red and yellow for this one.
Was there only 3 colors?
Yeah.
I want yellow.
I'm gonna do red and yellow. Aesthetic! Now you can't look. You did, you silly. Baby! Careful, put it on here. You dork. You doorknob. So silly. Alright, now what do we need to add? Do we add white glue? What does white glue do?
I don't know.
Does it make it white? I don't want to mess it up.
Mine's going to be green because I just used the same mixer. Scared me. I was like, what does it have?
Yeah, throw that out there. Alright, now how much activator do we need? Double, right?
1 teaspoon.
So we have 4.
2. Wait, does 2 teaspoons equal a tablespoon?
I don't know. I was just going to ask you that. Mine's red again.
You know, yellow.
There's some blue in there. I can't mix it yet, right? Or it's too late? It's too late. I'm alright.
Mix and we mix and we mix and mix and mix. Thought that just touched my knee and it honestly scared the crap out of me. See, I think mine's not. I need more activator.
I think I did 2, right? Look at it.
Why do we suck at this?
The instructions aren't that good. I'm just kidding.
I think a 4-year-old would honestly be better at making
What's a kid's
slime.
thing? We are not children.
It's a
anymore.
kid's thing, but she's like 25 years old.
But is she though?
I don't know. Don't watch her.
We're gonna have to watch her. We should watch her.
Oh, snack, a snack. I'm a snack. I'm a snack.
She's so weird.
I'm weird. You're weird. I feel like this video was a fail for me, and I'm quite sad.
That's alright, baby.
Like, this one piece doesn't even have color in it. I'm a snack.
I want to know what this does. Should I just put it in there?
That's probably a little late for that. Oh my god. I'm sad.
You're
Look
slimy.
at that. It's so wet.
Slimy.
Ben's over here just gnawing on a cracker. Ew, I dripped on the table.
1 bottle of white glue. What's the point?
It's got this random little blue dot on it.
What if the white glue gets rid of
This is
like,
running down my arm. The white glue probably makes it like not see-through. Is that yum? Is that yummy?
or it makes it slimy?
I'm sad because I don't know how to make slime.
No wonder why Siani wants it.
Yeah, Siani one's already made.
Yeah, my niece wants it for Christmas pre-made because she doesn't want to have to make it. I get why. She's smart. Siani, I understand now.
Okay, so this one is better than the last one I did, kind of, but like. Ben, look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
This one's still my favorite one. My original one.
Flubber.
My original one is the best. Yeah. I want to play with this one more.
Yours are literally basically the same color.
I know, I need 2 red ones.
I just had my idea. I just had my idea. I just had my
I'm gonna mix
idea.
them. Did it make green?
That was not a good idea. That was not a good idea.
No, you gotta put a lot more
That was not a good
activator to it. Both of mine are pretty good.
Maybe I just gotta let it stretch. That's honestly a cool color. Do you see that? Do you see it? Look, panties.
Ew. This one's way better. It's my friend Gerald. What do I name him? Teddy. Look at Teddy go.
Teddy, why Teddy?
Oh, that just seems cool.
Oh, I got dog hair in it.
I told you.
Because
Threw
the other
it.
one had dog hair in it already.
Wait, guys, ready? I made
A pincho!
Pincho! Cool. We should have watched her tutorial video first on YouTube.
Do you think I could throw this and flip it and catch it by the other end?
Baby, I think you got some in my ear. And you did. You did. She did. Stop throwing it, you dork. Oh my gosh. Yo, what are you doing?
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Out of my ear. You're nasty.
It's farting.
That looks gross.
Try it again.
No, please don't. You're like flinging green stuff everywhere.
Now my hands are green.
You want to throw my second red one in there? See what you can do?
No.
Make one big one.
No.
Sure.
Mine's farting.
Let's make more. How much more do we have?
We have not enough. We don't even have enough for one more.
How much is in here?
Just take that cap off.
Not yet. What is this?
Yoga.
Water gel powder? What does this do? What's water gel powder?
Say
Bitch.
hello, Yoga.
Huh?
Hello.
What's the water gel powder for?
I don't know, honestly.
Well, we're finna find out.
You knew more of the white glue in there. You're dumping all of it in there? Not all of it.
White glue? No, I can't use yellow because you jacked that up. I'm gonna just continue mine to be red.
Do blue. Do blue.
I'm not touching
We don't have a blue one.
I don't want that all blue on my fingies. You can't eat that. You missed it? Yeah, you missed right there. Let's pour like half the
Put the
activator.
glue in there.
The activator in there.
I thought you weren't using blue.
I don't think I made anything. I think I just made a mess. Yours is actually slimy now.
I know. I'm so excited. Look at it. It's so cute.
Yeah, this has to go in the
It's
trash.
so cute.
Alright, well, we did it.
We made our slime.
Babe, did you slime it?
It flew over and he saw it too. You went, ooh.
We made it.
Did you see it? Ooh. Here's our slime. 10 out of 10.
Oop.
Don't recommend.
Do this if you're 4. Don't do it when you're 28 and 26 because you don't know
I'm
what
not
you're doing.
26.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. Am I? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm 25. Yes, I am. Do the math, bro.
Whatever. I say 28. I'm not even 28 yet.
I know.
So,
Anyway.
It's good for kiddies, not for adults. Because we don't know.
Yo,
what
honestly, I would not let my kid do this.
it's so messy. Buy pre-made slime.
Don't even buy pre-made slime.
Why? It's fun.
What if, for your kid?
Yeah.
What if it gets on the sofa?
Then you beat the heck out of them later. But Mom, just be advised if Nina gets this for Christmas from Santa, it's gonna be slime all over the house.
What they get in the rug, on the sofa, in their hair.
Ah! In their hair. What is this?
I'm so glad.
I made an animal in this
I'm
one.
so glad slime is in the now. He's this age because
I didn't know this
there's
was a
something
thing.
else when he's older. Do you want it?
I didn't know this was a thing. No. I didn't know this was a thing. I thought this slime was like a Nickelodeon when I was a kid.
Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
You know what I mean?
Now I got cheese curl crumbs in mine.
Well, baby, now you gotta wash his hands.
I know. Can you give me a wipe? Please.
Try to play with slime.
Touch it here. Touch more.
This looks like
That actually looks really cool.
this looks like a crack pipe.
That looks really cool in there.
Are you gonna edit out the crack pipe part?
Yes.
No, but it's funny.
That looks really cool though.
I can say that because I'm a cop. Babe, pick up your green. You got it.
You got it. Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed watching us make slime. Well, let us know if you think it's a fail or what? What do we call?
It's gonna slap you with it.
A fab or fail.
Definitely a fail.
Anyway, bye.
What?